How to connect Notion to Claude AI. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, you can simply search for Claude AI and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon, then select Settings. Inside Settings, look for Connectors, then tap onto it. Then search here, you can simply tap on Browse Connectors. And just like that, you can use the search bar to search for Notion. Once you search for it, you will be able to find it right over here. Tap on this plus button. And just like that, you can simply tap on Connect. And just like that, you will see details about what Claude can do with Notion once connected. You can simply tap on Continue and follow the on-screen instruction to link your Notion account. Grant the required permission, and once connected, Claude can help you access and summarize your notes, organize content, work directly with Notion data using AI. To use connectors like Notion, you will need the paid version of Claude. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.